With the sea covering almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface, 90% of world transport, an equivalent of roughly 18 trillion euro, is done by vessels. In order to improve safety, sustainability, and efficiency, ships are becoming smarter and more connected. With 36 shipyards, more than 12,000 employees, and 1,500 suppliers worldwide, Damen is one of the world's leading shipbuilders.
We're building between 160 and 180 ships per year. We're building tugboats, we're building pilot boats, we're building yachts, but also ships for the offshore wind, crane barges for the terminals and harbors, but also, like you see in the grey boat here, it's a security boat for use in the oil and gas. And we're using the model of standardization and building on stock. That means that we develop a ship type, we're building a many big series, so we produce them on stock so we can have delivery very fast. Also, because we're using standard components, the quality is very high and the maintenance costs are very low for the client.
This model is known as the Damen standard, providing an ideal balance between standardization and custom-built vessels. To stay ahead in the market, Damen partnered with TCS for building an integrated, collaborative IoT platform that collects data from its ships. In fact, transforming their ships into connected vessels.
On a certain moment we saw that TCS had a good experience with a lot of customers in the market about digital journeys, and that's the reason why we started also this journey with TCS.
Damen vessels are equipped with 10 to 15,000 sensors collecting all sorts of data from the vessel.
We have the tanks, which is shown over here, telling me how much fuel is on board, fresh water, oil. But we can also enter the engines where we can see the performance of the engines, the power, the RPMs, the fuel consumption.
All these sensors are connected to Damen's connected vessel platform. But Damen and its customers aren't the only ones who benefit from the connected vessel platform.
The goal was to build a platform where we can share information in a collaborative way with our ecosystem. We can collect a lot of data and we can combine that with information from our ERP system or from our engineering platform. We can make our ships smarter. We can give our customers more service. And the third one, we can create new business models for Damen. In the past, we were only maybe ship builder, and we moved more and more to a maritime solution provider. We provide our customers a service from lead to decommissioning 30 years later. We see a lot of benefits for the future, for example, predictive maintenance, remote services, or savings in fuel consumption.
And by completing this complex digital transformation with TCS, Damen has, once again, set a new standard for the industry, which will help them to maintain their position as an innovation pioneer in the maritime industry.
Digitalization is coming very fast for our industry, so everybody's investing in tools and sensors to make it much more remote monitored of all the equipment on board the ships. That will lead finally to autonomous ships, and maybe not in all ship types, at least at the small ship types in the very near future.